Welcome to this channel. Here I have a question that I received from a student, which I want to solve right now. I'm going to read the question, then we go on and see how this question can be solved. The question says a circular plate of diameter 100 millimeters and thickness 20 millimeters has a semicircular cutout of radius 30 millimeters. Draw the sectional elevation and plan. Let me read the question again. A circular plate of diameter 100 millimeters and thickness 20 millimeters has a semicircular cutout of radius 30 millimeters. Draw the sectional elevation and plan. So that is the question as I just read it. Okay, so let's see how this question can be solved as I've thought about it, and if I were the one that this question was given to directly, this is the solution that I'm going to make. Okay, so what we are going to do first is that we are going to draw a vertical center line. So we draw a vertical center line. So this is the vertical center line. Okay, so we have this vertical center line here, and then I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, since we are asked to draw the sectional elevation and plan, it means that the object is cut into two. Okay, the object is cut into two equal parts. So then for the plan, so the plan will now be a semicircle. It will be in a semicircular form. Okay, so what we are to do now, since we are told that the diameter of the circular plate is 100 millimeters, so we take 50 millimeters as the radius. Okay, so this is 50 millimeters as the radius. So this 50 millimeters as the radius. So I will put the pinpoint here, and I'm going to draw a semicircle. So I will draw a semicircle like this. So here we have a semicircle, okay, for the plan. So though it is not complete yet, so it is not complete yet. Okay, so what I'm going to do, so right now, so for the front elevation, so what I'm going to do for the front elevation is this. Okay, so I will come up here, and then I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So I will draw a horizontal line here. Okay, then with my set square, I'm going to draw a line from this point. So I draw a line from this point, so it goes up like this. Okay, then I'll also come to this side and also draw a vertical line from here up. Then I'm going to take a measurement of 20 millimeters. So from this point, I'll take 20 millimeters up. This is 20 millimeters. Then I'm going to draw a horizontal line because the front elevation of the circular plate so will be in form of a rectangle as I've drawn it here. So now, what about the cutout? Because we are told that a semicircular cutout of radius 30 millimeters is put in the circular plate. So now for me to draw the curve of that semicircular cutout in the sectional front elevation, this is what I'm going to do. Now from this point here, take a measurement of 15 millimeters down, and take 15 millimeters up, so making 30, because we are told that the radius of the semicircular cutout is 30 millimeters. So what we have to do right now is to take a compass, then we put the pinpoint here. So put the pinpoint here and extend the pen point. So extend the pen point, extend it here. So extend it down here. So at this point here, then draw a curve like this. So draw a curve like this. Okay, so draw a curve like this. So we have this now. Okay, so we have this curve. Okay, then the next thing that we are going to do is that, so since we are drawing the sectional front elevation, so what we are to do right now is that we are going to make this line, we make it a thick line from here to here. So we make this a thick line from here to here, and we also make this a thick line from here to here, and then this line also, we make it a thick line from this end down to this end here. Okay, so we have this, and then we come to this point here, we draw, make this line a thick line from here to here, and we also make this a thick line from here to here. Then we need to hash this surface. We need to produce hatching lines on this surface because we are asked to draw the sectional front elevations, or the sectional elevation. So we produce arching lines on this surface. Okay, so that is what I'm doing right now. So arching lines are drawn with thin continuous line, so and they are equally spaced on the surface of the cut. Okay, so that is what I'm doing right now. So I'm producing arching lines on this surface. Okay, all right, so we also have one here. So we move away and then we produce so another arching lines here. Then we also produce another arching lines here. So we produce one here and then we produce one here. Okay, so then finally let's leave it like this. So this is the sectional elevation as we are asked to do it. Now in the plan, okay, in the plan, so for us to show the cut out part, that is semicircular cut out, so what we have to do to show that here in the plan is that we are going to take a measurement of 30 millimeters. Take 30 millimeters because the radius of the semicircular cutout is 30 millimeters. So we put the pinpoint here and then we draw a semicircle like this. So here we draw a semicircle like this. So this is what we have. Okay, we draw a semicircle like this. Okay, then looking at what we have here, so because we are asked to draw the sectional plan, and then if you look at the depth of the cut, it doesn't reach this bottom face. Okay, so that means there's going to be rough surface along this part, along this surface here. It will look rough, so that means we have to produce arching lines also here in the plan within this part here. So I'm going to produce arching lines here. So with my 45 degrees set square, I'm producing arching lines on this surface here like this. Okay, all right, so we all right, so this gives us the sectional plan. So it's as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice. When you practice this, you become a master at this work. Thank you. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.